Hey guys, welcome back. Today I've got a quick one for you. This is a little upgrade I wanted to do to the car. My car came with these license plate covers that came from the dealer, and I've wanted to trade them out for a while. I was looking at carbon fiber alternatives, and the ones that come from BMW are well over $100 each. So that's over $200, almost $250 for the carbon fiber license plate frames. Not something I wanted to do. So I found on Amazon some actual carbon fiber frames with all the parts you need. So we're gonna do an install on those today. So let me show you here. I'll unbox them real quick. So they each come, each frame. It's pretty cool. It's got that 3D carbon fiber effect to it. You can see on the inside, it's not just plastic, this is carbon fiber. And then with it, each frame comes with the tools you need to do the install. It even comes with a little screwdriver. Look at that. All right, so let's start with, I actually have my own screwdriver. So let's start with taking this old frame off, okay? Here's the front license plate. So I'm gonna take off the cover. I'm gonna reuse the same screws that came with my car, because I'm finding they're a different size than what came with this kit. Unfortunately, I do not live in a state where I can have no front license plate. I wish I didn't have to have a front license plate, but it is what it is. All right, so here we go. So we'll take it off the old cover, this plastic one that it came with. So this cover is so easy. It goes right here, right on. Look at that. Can you get the lighting on that carbon fiber? The 3D effect. Love that. It looks so much better on the front of the car. It looks so nice. All right, so I'm gonna take each screw, put it through. See, this is like the little backing. So I put it through here, put it in there, and then with that, I can put that here, line it up to the screw hole. There we go, there. Okay, just get it held on there temporarily where I get the second one. Okay, here's the second one. Yeah, so I'll link this in the description. It was, I think, about $30 to $40 for the two license plate covers, carbon fiber, total, as opposed to the $120 each for the BMW ones. Now, obviously, it doesn't say, M or BMW on these, but, I was like, for, a $200 savings, I'm fine with just plain carbon fiber without the BMW written on there. So yeah, this is just a quick, fun little upgrade that I think makes your car look a lot better than what came from the dealer, From free advertising to cleaner carbon fiber. So there it is, guys. Nice, easy, cheap upgrade that makes your car look a lot better. I'll have a product link down in the description if you want to pick one up for yourselves. All right, thanks a lot. See you next time. Peace.